This problem states that the position of a particle is moving along the x-axis and varies in time according to the expression x equals 3t squared, where x is in meters, t is in seconds. So first, x is in meters, I guess I can write that down, t is in seconds. So first it asks us to sketch the position graph. Well, this is a simple parabola. Oops, sorry, not x. Putting t on the horizontal axis. Simple parabola, and we know because it's positive, it's going to be upward, so it's going to look something like this. Right? This is 3t squared. So part B asks us to evaluate its position at t equals 3.00 seconds. Okay, well, so in order to do that, we just plug that into the position function. I can write it as x as a function of t equals 3t squared, and so therefore x of 3 seconds equals 3 times 3 seconds squared. So then just evaluating that, 3 times 3.00 seconds squared is the same as saying 3 times 9.00 seconds. So x then is 27.0 meters. Okay, so we don't have to worry about the units so much in these mathematical formulas that you're going to have to work with. Until we get into the problem solving, then we'll have to definitely work with the units. In this case, where we're manipulating functions, just know that in the end it's going to come out to 2 meters. Okay. Part C says evaluate its velocity at t equals 3 seconds. Well, in order to find the velocity, we have to, for one thing, we have to find, if this is 3 seconds, we have to find the slope of the tangent line. That's going to give the rate of change in the position at that point. And the way we do that is we take the derivative of the position. So the velocity is dx dt, the rate of change of x with respect to the rate of change of time, or the derivative of 3t squared. So velocity, if we differentiate that using the power rule, remember, okay, so if x equals a t to the n, then dx dt is going to equal a n t to the n minus 1. So if we do that here, the derivative then will equal 3 times 2t to the 2 minus 1, or velocity is going to be 6t to the first power, which is just 6t. And we want to find the velocity at 3 seconds, so the velocity at 3 seconds equals 6 times 3 seconds. The velocity equals 18 meters per second. You don't have to worry about how we get from seconds to meters per second, but the velocity is going to be in those units.